keeping them engaged in treatment. I mean, that's what it's all about, hopefully saving a life or two. We identified a need for, those clients who just need that extra layer of accountability. It's really the only objective evidence that we can get that someone is not using alcohol, while they're not here. We introduced Soberlink after a use event or relapse, and we explained to them that this is not a lifetime. This is not a ankle monitor. We explain what it is. It's pretty user friendly, and we introduce it because we're concerned, and they've displayed that they need some accountability and structure. When it's used consistently and properly by the client, we just get to rest a little easier throughout the week. We know, hey, this person's been sober, so we're not in crisis intervention all day. They get the message that they're cared for. They get that structure and that gentle push to continue working in recovery. Families, especially with loved ones in early recovery, can be a little bit skeptical that their loved one is staying on track. When that's out of the way, the client can begin healing, gives the opportunity for the families to go and work on their own stuff. Addiction's a family disease, so it helps us treat it, as a whole.